Hello, you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bilkesh and I wish you a very good day ahead. So, in today's vlog, it's just the usual what I do in a day when I'm too busy with office work or say just managing my thing, throughout the day. This is how my day actually starts. I wake up, I start with brooming, I clean my kitchen, and then I hop into the kitchen. जब तक मेरा घर साफ़ नहीं होता है मुझे कैसा अजीब सा लगता है. माई डे जस्ट डजंट बिगिन. इट्स जस्ट लाइक दैट. आई लेट द लाइट एंड सम फ्रेश एयर इन बिकॉज एसी में सो के माथा भी कभी कभी दर्द होने लगता है नहीं. सो अभी थोड़ा सा और भी ब्रूमिंग और मॉपिंग बाकी है. अब उसके बाद आई नीड टू टेक केयर ऑफ़ मीली. आई नीड टू फीड हर, उसका बाल वाल बांध के उसको रेडी कर देती हूँ. उसके बाद आई हैव लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम फॉर माई सेल्फ, जस्ट टू फोकस ऑन माई सेल्फ. विथ मिली थिंग्स आर रियली ईजी बिकॉज शी लिसन्स एंड शी इज़ वेरी वेल ग्रूम्ड. मतलब कैसे बोलूँ, व्हेन आई गॉट हर शी वॉज ऑलरेडी अ बिग गर्ल. ठीक है. एंड बाय दैट टाइम वो जिसके साथ रह रही थी आई थिंक दे टॉट हर वेल, तो उसको काफ़ी कुछ इंडिकेशन पता है. शी लिसन्स वेल, शी ईट्स वेल एंड शी नोज़ वेयर टू पू एंड पी एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. तो मुझे क्लीन करने में भी ज़्यादा मेहनत नहीं लगता है. आई जस्ट नीड टू क्लीन दैट स्पॉट एंड आई नीड टू फीड हर एंड ग्रूम हर एंड शी इज़ ऑल रेडी फॉर द डे. सो हर फूड हैबिट्स आई डिडंट चेंज मच बिकॉज वो सुबह थोड़ा सा हैवी खाती हैं एंड देन धीरे धीरे लाइक लाइटर एंड देन लाइटर एंड लाइटर. So it's that way, just like I do. So we're both breakfast girlies, and yeah, I'm back with my mopping. So it's Saturday. I have little to no work today. I have managed all of it last day only. थोड़ा बहुत काम आगे से करके रखी थी. So I have some time in my hand. So weekends are not to be wasted, So आज काफ़ी सारे plans है. In the sense, I'm gonna make myself a biryani. So I have already meal prepped a few things beforehand yesterday only, ताकि आज काम करने में ज़्यादा मेहनत ना हो. So after mopping and cleaning my house, it's time to water my plants. And I do have to call the gardener for the soil change and all of that. क्योंकि pot भी टूट गया है, so I need new pots as well. I have to go out and all get new pots. I'll do it some other day. वैसे nothing important, but I'm still saying it here. That is, मुझे बंगाली बहुत अच्छे से आता है. ठीक है, लाइक आई कैन रियली स्पीक वेल. मैं बहुत भालो बंगाली बोली. बट द पॉइंट हियर इज़ आई डोंट मेक व्लॉग स्पीकिंग बंगाली बिकॉज I think it's better for the vaster audience to understand, because very few people, they understand Bengali, but most people understand Hindi or English. So I don't know, the plan is in my head. If it works, it works. I don't know. I'm just going with the flow. Not that I have many subscribers, but then one day I will. So I'm just going and go. And I like sharing the parts of my life. Document होकर रहता है, so I don't mind. So anyway, after mopping, cleaning, watering my plants, it's time to wash my clothes as well. पूरा हफ्ता भर का कपड़ा एक ही बारी में धो लूँगी आज ही. Thank God I got this washing machine. पहले I never had it and I had to hand wash the garments. And now that I have the machine, I frequently change my bed sheets. It's easier. So after all that, I freshened up, I brushed my teeth, and I am having my nimbu pani, and it's time for workout. I'm currently working out at home because gym abhi nahi jana hai. I have restrictions. I cannot pull weights. Otherwise, जो lump मेरे underarm में है वो swell होने का chances है. Now that it's fine, I do not want to take any risk. And it's no surprise that I'm enjoying home workouts because मैं पहले भी की हूँ, तो मुझे ज़्यादा ख़राब नहीं लगता है. I think it works out for me. I enjoy. And currently I'm taking everything very easy. not going too hard on myself with all the workouts and diets and all of that. I'm just eating whatever I have been recommended to get my lumps, hormones, all of it under control. And I'm super bloated right now, to be honest. Like you can see, I look like a pregnant woman. But it's all good. Girls, your body will fluctuate during this time and it's all okay. And recently I got this plush period panties and these are so good. Like you just have to wear it like a panty and forget. And it's so stress free. मेरे लिए तो है मतलब thank god I got rid of all those pads and tampons and menstrual cups. I'm so happy I got hold of this. And after that it's a bit of skincare time, the usual. After this period is over, I also have to get myself waxed because I look like a man also. So anyway, the skincare is done. Also in the meanwhile, I also got this PR from Moniza, this one brand they have newly started, if I'm not wrong, and they have sent me this and I'm super happy. I got my first ever PR. Can you imagine? It's exciting. And मैं recently ये सब शुरू की हूँ like Instagram में like creating content and being regular with it. पहले भी मैं काफ़ी videos डाली हूँ Instagram में, but I never thought of it as content creation as such. But then I thought one day, like when I'm already having so many videos in my iPad that's taking half of my storage, then why not share it on the gram and it will be documented, तो अच्छा ही है. See, at the end of the day, if it works out, it works out. One thing I believe is that everything has got its own set of market. There's one set of people that actually like certain kind of videos. And when I started getting DMs like they're actually watching my videos and liking it, it kind of made me get going, तो मुझे लगा कि ठीक है, if people are enjoying, तो फिर कुछ तो ठीक है. And the fact is, it's mostly from the girls and they love my videos so much. It makes me so happy. Even when I'm like giving this voiceover, trust me, I'm blushing. I loved the messages from all these girls. So one of the many things that also helps me during this time of the month, that is getting flowers, eating good food, moving my body, which helps me with the better flow and keeps my mood okayish, because I get really cranky when I'm continuously on the bed. So yes, these flowers are so lovely. Time for some breakfast. I'm just having this chia pudding with banana, blueberries and dragon fruit. Now it's time to get back to work and finish up my breakfast and थोड़ा सा काम भी कर लेती हूँ because Saturday है, आगे से करके रखना ही better है. So it's never an off day, to be honest, when you're trying to boom as an entrepreneur and be a part of business. It's always work. You have to manage it. I'm managing it. I'm doing so many stuffs at the same time, and I realize it only when I am in a bathroom or out for a walk, तब जाके realize होता है. But then I do not complain because this is something I had dreamt of a few years back and this is where I am. Okay, so it's time to make some biryani. I have already marinated my chicken, took care of the potatoes and eggs, राइस भी है एंड मसालेस भी सब रेडी करके साइड में रखी हो. सो लेट्स गेट द राइस रेडी. अभी मैं बॉयल में ये खड़े मसाले डाली हूँ एंड देन सम 1 स्पून ऑफ घी सो दैट द राइस डू नॉट स्टिक टू ईच अदर. तब तक मैं प्याज का काम कर लेती हूँ, लाइक आई विल चॉप देम. सो अभी उबाल आ गया है. इट्स टाइम टू पुट द राइस एंड आई विल जस्ट कुक इट लाइक 80%. तब तक और साइड में मैं ये प्याज वगैरह ये सब भी रेडी कर लूँगी जब तक ये राइस कुक होगा. So there's a story why I happen to learn how to make biryani. It's because I do not like ordering biryani from outside or have it anywhere from any restaurant. क्योंकि मुझे ये पता चला recently that they mix like mutton and chicken together and I do not eat mutton. It's a very personal thing. Otherwise, I really love cooking in general. I like cooking. I like feeding people. I like how my people actually reacts when my food is like good, and I love their reactions. It's just that I recently actually started loving cooking so much, and मैं Instagram में भी काफ़ी post करती हूँ with food. It's like mix food, fashion, little bit of lifestyle. Like this is my niche, so you guys can follow me there and I'm sure you guys are gonna love it. और बाकी comment करो, like करो, share करो, and that that would be very helpful and supportive. Else you can DM me and let me know how I can improve, because learning things, it's endless. So my rice is ready. I have already drained it and उसमें से खड़े मसाले मैं निकाल दी. And now I'm frying this onions and I'm going to keep it aside. And उसके बाद मैं आलू भी फ्राई कर लूँगी एंड साथ में अंडे भी फ्राई कर लूँगी. थोड़ा सा अंडे मैं ज़्यादा फ्राई नहीं करूँगी, जस्ट अ लिटिल यू नो. और ये आलू वगैरह भी मैं थोड़ा सा मसाले के साथ लाइक मैरिनेट करके ओवरनाइट रखी थी अलॉन्ग विद द एग्स. And now it's time to make the chicken. So today I'm just going to keep it like gravy based ताकि ज़्यादा rice dry ना हो. So yes, let's make it. So biryani in the making and I am excited. Also, one trick that I make sure to follow is that whenever I'm cooking heavy, there's many more utensils involved, मैं साथ साथ में ना धो भी लेती हूँ या फिर साफ़ कर लेती हूँ, so the work gets easier. Okay, so today I'm making this for 2 of us. So he must be wondering that I'm in so much of pain, so he just came to do his stuff. But I really do not want him in the kitchen. It's gonna be super messy. It's better he's out. So we are almost halfway through and अभी ये चिकन भी हो गया है. I'm just going to dry it out. मुझे इससे थोड़ा सा और ड्राई करना है and it's done. अभी घी डाल के मैं पूरे वेसल में अच्छे से कोट कर रही हूँ so that there are very less chances to get things burned. And now I'm layering the first part with just chicken. उसके बाद I'm gonna top it off with some rice, little more rice, and goes all the potatoes and eggs now. And एक के बाद एक अच्छे से सजा के रख दूँगी. Now the fried onions, some coriander and mint. I have chopped all of this yesterday night only and kept it. और एक केवड़ा का water, some biryani masala, more rice and chicken on top of it. And I'm going to lay another thing of this fried onion and mint and coriander, and go some chilies, and we're all set. अब थोड़ा सा और केवड़ा दे देती हूँ and बिरयानी मसाला देने के बाद our pot is ready. I'm gonna wash my hands and set it on fire. थोड़ा सा वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको, दम में रखेंगे अच्छे से. It's on. Now it's gonna take some time, तो बट ये हो जाएगा. अभी मैं इसको ढक देती हूँ और मेरे पास ये मार्बल का जो आटा बेलने के साथ आता है वो डाल दी. I'm not going to go ahead with all the hassles of atta and all of that. So anyway, the biryani's been done. It's served. This is how it looks and this is how it tastes. So after having biryani and working, it's already 3:45 and I feel so sleepy, but I don't want to sleep, नहीं तो मेरा रात का नींद पूरा उठ जाएगा. So it's time for some coffee to say bye bye to all this lethargy and all of that. But the day looks pretty good, so I'm thinking of going out for a walk and जो भी heavy feel हो रहा है वो भी ठीक हो जाएगा. So after having this coffee, I'm surely going out for a walk. We are going out for a walk. So we're out for the walk. The weather was so good. बहुत breezy था and it was a very good decision to come out of the house. I like morning walks, evening walks, any kind of walk. I like walking. I can really walk like kilometers, honestly. And yeah, it was so pretty. The sunset was so pretty. It was a lovely and inviting weather to sweat it out. Plus peeps, if you guys really love walking, please walk. Take that morning walk, take that evening walk. You'll get to see so many things and observe so many things that you generally don't do, and it has got so much of meaning to it. For me, morning or evening walks are like silent treatment. It works for me. So anyway, it was a great day. Honestly, I hope it was for you too. And if you guys really liked my video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.